Here we go. Into the roundabout. Doesn't need to stop, so we're gonna give it a little up tap.
And you got something behind you anyway too. It makes total sense.
It is taking these roundabouts much better.
Much smoother. It's the reason I'm able to fly a drone and actually do this at the same time. Yeah, no, I'm pretty high up. Yeah, it's the reason I'm actually able to fly a drone and do this, and I was willing to do it this way with these releases and prove that the software is pretty good. So, yeah, no. I hope the people at home enjoyed this.
Mm-hmm. It was interesting to see in the school zones that it was seeing the flashing light, but not knowing what to do with it.
Yeah, I agree.
Because it was lit up blue, like, you know, like it was paying attention. It was like, that's something.
It's like, I'm programmed to recognize that.
But I don't know what to do with the information.
I don't know what to do. I think I do.
How you doing on battery?
Oh, I'm doing fine. I checked on that while we were hovering. I noticed you're 6 minutes away, and I've got 20 minutes of flight time left. Thank you, DJI. This little flight brought to you by DJI.
Okay, so we got another school zone, and yep, it sees it.
It sees it, but it's not actually doing anything. And is it flashing?
Yep.
Yeah, so interesting. And trust me, in our state, they'll pull you over.
Yeah, and there's summer school going on because you can go cars and stuff. To go right, apparently.
Yeah, seriously. I saw that.
Alright, this car has gotten pretty far forward. We could go. Nice. No love taps.
I see the power lines. I copy you. Lots of power lines.
could go now if it didn't hesitate. So we're going to give it a love tap. So it registers it. The light's not blinking, so it's not blinking on the...
So it's another school zone that we're coming up on?
Yeah, we're in it, but it's not going. So it's... But what's interesting is it's registering that there is a blinking light of some kind, even if it's not blinking.
Oh, but we didn't have to actually manually slow down, is what you're saying? Okay. It was a non-active school zone.
Correct.
I see. Got it.
Lots of power lines here.
I see it. Appreciate the call out.
Yep. All right, another infamous one. See how... Oh, okay, we're slowing. Good. And we can go. There are cars coming, so we're going to give it a love tap. Got a little close to the curb for my liking, but that's okay.
I don't know if it's going to pull into Yokes or not.
I don't know either.
South of them. Yeah, go ahead.
I'm not going to go the way it wants to go.
Okay, no worries. We'll just, we'll manually take over to turn into the parking lot. No, I know I took a peek.
Yeah.
We're just going to manually end the drive. But sometimes it's easier because Beta, with us and flying around here, it just doesn't make...
Lots of power lines here.
Lots of stuff going on. It's just easier for us to manually drive into this entrance right here versus going around the block, which is what it wanted to do.
Do you need to park and change batteries?
Yeah, probably we should do a touch and go.
Okay. I'm going to find us the best spot that I can. There is not a lot.
Why don't you pick this little corner over here back in the...
That doesn't help me. I don't know what corner I'm talking.
Go straight.
Okay. Left or right?
Left, up when you get to the end of this.
Okay.
Just when you get to the end, make a left, and you're going to go down the next aisle.